In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $500 a day with content lockers. There is currently an increasing demand in mobile games and apps, which makes it a perfect opportunity to make money with content lockers. And I highly recommend any beginner to jump on this opportunity and make money online. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start earning passive income online with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, the first step is to come over to this website, rexdl.com, and this website allows people to download premium and modded version of games and app. And if you come over to this website, as you can see right here, you can download games from any genre of your choice, and also you can do that for apps as well. And if you scroll to the very bottom of this website, you can see you can look for games on next pages, and also they upload games every single day. So what you want to do once you come over to this website is to pick any game of your choice. So I'm going to take Fortnite here as an example. So once you do that, the next step is to go over to trends.google.com. So the two indicators you want to make sure to look out for is you want to make sure the game is popular in tier 1 and tier 2 countries. This is because this country pay a lot higher when people complete CPA offers. And the second indicator you want to look out for is to make sure the graph is pointing upward, as that tells you that the game is currently gaining a lot of traction. So once you come over to trends.google.com, all you need to do is to click on explore. So once you come over to this page, you want to change this to worldwide. And also you want to come to the month section and you want to change it to the last 30 days. And you want to finally come to this web search and you want to change this to YouTube search. Later on, I'm going to explain why you want to do this. All you need to do is to type in the name of the game right here. Okay, so once you type it right here and you click on search, so looking at this result right here, as you can see, if you come over to the graph, you can see this game is pointing upward. Like I said, you want to make sure when doing your research, the game check two boxes, and one of the boxes is to make sure the graph is pointing upward, which tells you the game is currently getting a lot of traffic. And the second indicator is to make sure that this game is popular in tier 1 and tier 2 countries. As you can see, these are all tier 1 and tier 2 countries. So once you do this, then you can proceed to promote this game. So the third step is setting up a landing page, and feel free to use any landing page builder of your choice. So all you need to do is to create a very simple landing page that looks like this. As you can see right here, getfortnite.breezy.site. Once people come over to this website, they'll be able to download this game, and if they click on this download button, they are going to be taken to your content locker, which if they complete CPA offers, you make money and they get redirected to this website to download the game. So I'm going to be taking Breezy as an example. All you need to do once you come over to breezy.io, you can create landing pages for absolutely free by clicking on the get started now button. So once you do that, you'll be able to create a very simple landing page like this. As you can see, all I did was just copy and paste, and you can see this is the image right here. Okay, you can just download the image and upload it, and here you want to paste in your content locker in this button. So this is a very simple landing page that you can create for free. So once you create your landing page, you want to go back to your CPA Grip account or any CPA network of your choice, and you want to click on create new URL file locker. Okay, so doing this, you will be able to select any template from here, and I highly recommend to go with this template. Okay, since people are going to be downloading this game. All right, so once you do this, all you need to do from here is to then change the name of the game right here. Okay, and to do that, you want to come to the general section and you want to change this premium right here to the name of the game. And also you want to go back to the website, and if you come back to this website, all you need to do is to click on go to download page. So once you click on that, it's going to show you the size of the game. As you can see, the size of the game is 141 megabytes. So all you need to do is to go back to your account and you want to change this to 141 megabytes. So once you do this, you can also change the date of the game to make it recent. All right, so once you do this and everything looks good, all you need to then do is to copy the download link like this. All right, so once you copy this download link, all you then need to do from here is to paste in the link in this box right here. So once you get the content locker link, all you need to do is to come over to the button section, click on this URL icon, and you want to paste in your content locker link right here. And this is all you need to do. And you want to repeat this for the second button, and all you need to then do from here is to click on publish page. So once you do this, all you then need to do is to go back to your dashboard. So once you go back to your dashboard, usually Breezy is going to give you a generic name. All you need to do is to then click on subdomain. You'll be able to give it any name of your choice, okay, just like this right here. So now if I click on this link, all right, as you can see, this is the landing page right here. And once people click on this download button, as you can see, it's going to take them to our content locker, and as you can see, this is the name of the game right here. Okay, so once people click on this begin download, as you can see, it's going to show CPA offers, and once they complete the offer, they will be redirected to download the game from this page. So the fourth step is driving traffic through YouTube. If you remember, we did our research based on YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you come over to YouTube, you have two ways of creating content. The first method is to create the content yourself, while the second method is to use existing content. All you need to do is to come over to the YouTube search bar and type in Fortnite gameplay. So once you type that, you are going to see a lot of videos that you can use, but I highly recommend you go over to the filter section and you click on Creative Commons, as this allows you to reuse these videos without copyright problems. And also, if you do that, you are going to see a lot of videos that allow you to use their content. As you can see, this one right here, it says free to use. So if I click on this video, as you can see right here, the creator of this video says right here that you can use the gameplay of their video. All you need to do is to give them credit in the video description. So this is how you find content that you can use for absolutely free if you don't want to make them on your own. All right, so the next step is to download these videos. So once you download these videos, all you then need to do is to convert the long videos to shorts, as this will allow you to have multiple contents that you can upload to make money. All right, so you want to make a very simple short that look like this. All right, so as you can see, this is just a 19-minute short video. As you can see right here, Fortnite mode, and also it's directing to this website. So once people watch this video, all they need to do is to type in this website and they will be brought to this page. And I can assure you, a lot of people want to get the modded version of this game. So all you just need to do is to go over to canva.com and you want to come over to the video section. So once you come over to the video section, you want to go with mobile video, and once you do that, you'll be able to upload the video. Once you upload the video, all you need to do is to display the call to action in about 3 seconds into the video, as not everyone is going to watch the video to the end. And also, like I said previously, you want to convert the long videos to short. So that means you want to keep the video under a minute long, just like this one right here, which is just about 20 seconds. So now this brings us to the next step, where you want to create a YouTube channel or you want to purchase an aged YouTube channel. So whichever one you want to use is up to you. So once you do that, all you need to do from here is to then upload the video to the YouTube channel you created. As you can see, you want to type in a very suitable title so that your videos will be promoted to people who are interested in this game. All right, and you want to also add in related hashtags like this. As you can see, this is the video right here. And like I said, once people play this video and they watch the video for a few seconds, you can see it's going to show your website right here, and people will be going to that website to complete your CPA offers. So this is all you need to do. You want to upload 5 to 10 shots a day on your YouTube channel, and I can assure you some of them will definitely go viral and you'll be making money in passive income. And also keep in mind, we already did our research about this game and we know the countries that are most interested in these games, which are these tier 1 countries right here. So definitely you can be assured to get a lot of traffic from these countries to complete your CPA offers. Bonus tip, you can go over to SSM panels to boost these videos by buying some views, but you don't really need to do this since we already know this game is currently trending, looking at the data provided by Google Trend. So you want to repeat the same process for as many games on this website, and I can assure you, you'll be making money in passive income.